Welcome to 1128 Brenda Lane. This charming 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage, covered front porch, and luxury vinyl plank, hardwood look flooring, and granite countertops inside. It's located in the Dawson's Park neighborhood in Lexington off of US 1. It's convenient to Lake Murray, Lexington 1 schools, as well as I-20. So we're out front. This particular home sits on a pretty short street, sort of ends at the third house. You have a 2-car wide driveway and a 1-car garage itself with a carriage-style door. There's some stacked stone accent detailing around the garage door as well. You have a covered front porch here. And then when we step inside, you'll notice the luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring. That's throughout the downstairs level, also in the bathrooms. So you enter into the living room off of the entry here. It's a nice size. You have a window looking back out over the front porch. Stairs to the second level are there. You also have a half bathroom, pedestal sink, and a commode, and also right across from it, a coat closet. Right before you get to the dining area here in the kitchen, off of the kitchen, excuse me. So a large dining area. There's a sliding door out to the back patio. You can see it's open to the kitchen on that side. About here you do have a patio at the back. This is a newer construction neighborhood, so at the time of the video you do have some lots that will be going in behind there. Not a lot of yard space, but you do have the patio there, and eventually there may be some fencing, but do not quote me on that. Nice open kitchen with a center island. Has a recessed area where you can put a couple of stools, stainless steel appliances. It's a dishwasher, electric range, smooth top, the above range microwave, as well as a refrigerator. And again, the granite countertops in here, window looking out towards the back. You also do have some built-in speakers, and there's controls to hook those up and operate them over there. I believe it's Bluetooth as well. So it's kind of been modernized in some of these updated homes. And then pantry off the kitchen. And you also do have your laundry room on this side as well. Full-size washer dryer connections there. And then door opening out to the garage. So you do have a vehicle in there at the time. But it's a 1-car garage, sort of a mid-size or a small SUV, to give you an idea of space. Back inside, we'll take a look at the bedrooms upstairs. So carpeting starts on the stairs here. Again, you see the flooring in the bathroom there as well. So on the right side is your master. You have a large master suite with a ceiling fan. There is a walk-in closet on this side, and then also a second smaller closet over here. You do also have a full bathroom with the granite countertops and the double sinks, large mirror, and a walk-in shower with some seating, and then a window also. Second bedroom here on the right side. And that second bathroom, again, single vanity and a tub and shower. Then your third bedroom here. And then last but not least, your fourth and final bedroom. And these two are a pretty nice size, although there are four on the second level. And excuse me if I did incorrectly state that there's only 3 bedrooms in this house at the beginning of the video. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, this is 1128 Helen Drive in Lexington. You can find out more information on this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.